Supplemental list, item 1.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, item 1.
Yes.
It's a 2011 matter, lordship. And
Your name, sir? You are
Akash Bhuya.
Mr. Akash Bhuya on behalf of Mr. You are Jenna for the petitioner. Learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation to obtain instructions as prayed for list on 12.
Deeply obliged.
Up to date instruction. Yes.
Deeply obliged.
Yes. Yes.
Item 2.
My lord, both the petitioners have died in the meanwhile, and I am filing a memo.
Your specific instruction.
And I
Mr.
have,
Kalpataru Panigrahi for the state.
and
For
I
the
am
petitioner, Mr. S.S. Kanungo AGA for the state.
and I am filing the copy of the death certificates.
The learned counsel for the petitioners submits that during pendency of the petition, unfortunately, both the petitioners have passed away. Along with the memo dated, today's memo dated 7. Memo dated 7/11/2023. The learned counsel files copies of the death certificates of the petitioners. The memo is taken on record. The petition stands disposed of. Yes. Petition stands disposed of. Yes, next, please.
Item 3.
3 minutes, sir.
Yes. Now you realize. Yes, what you are saying, sir?
So, next thing, my lord.
Your name?
P.K. Dev, my lords.
Mr. P.K. Dev, your power. Mr. P.K. Dev for the petitioner. Mr. S.S. Kanungo EGA for the opposite party. The learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation to obtain up-to-date instructions in the matter. As prayed for list on 6 December 2023.
Obliged.
Yes, please. Next.
Item 4.
Yes.
Not press my lord. Just now file memo, my lord.
It has never been admitted, sir.
No,
Okay.
no interim order, nothing.
Mr. Biswaranjan Dalai for the petitioner, Mr. S.S. Kanungo EGA for the state. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that as per the instructions of the petitioner, the petition is not pressed. Para? The petition is disposed of accordingly.
Item 5.
देखो cost अभी दिया है नहीं. Cost दे नांती. That is order of the Honorable Justice Misra that pay cost of 200 to the High Court Bar Association Welfare Fund. You have to comply that order. Then you can
Yes, I will,
seek.
today I will comply, ma'am.
The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he shall verify whether the order dated 10/12/2013 has been complied with regarding payment of sum of rupees 200 in the High Court Bar Association Welfare Fund. Disposal pore likhte hain. It is submitted. If the same has not yet been deposited, the same shall be deposited within a week.
Item 5.
Techno 4 chapter.
Mr. S.K. Pradhan, Mr. Pradhan,
Yes, ma'am.
S.K. Pradhan for the petitioner, Mr. S.S. Kanungo AGA for the state, learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation to obtain up-to-date instructions in the matter. As prayed for list on 7 December 2023. Yes, next, please.
Item 6.
Petitioner none. Yeah, call again at
In item
Sorry.
6, actually, my lord, CD and CA was called for, but that also I have not received. 9 quintals of ganja.
He's in custody since? It is that case that for sister's treatment, he is seeking bail, and one of his brothers has filed a petition where there is a observation that since we cannot verify the health condition of the sister, the brother who has come to file the petition may take care of the sister. Date ta se kon dଉନାହାନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ବୁଝିପାରୁନି. ଆପଣ bookmark କରିଛନ୍ତି certified copy of rejection of bail order ତାପରେ FIR. କଣ FIR କଣ ତା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ କଣ ସମ୍ପର୍କ? FIR ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ, certified copy of order ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ.
And the report was also called for.
That report I have that the registry has furnished the report from the concerned court. Tenth of October 2021. That is the reason that court is concerned about the prolonged trial.
Date of affair to arrest. Yes.
None appears for the petitioner when the matter is called. The IA for interim bail was disposed of. IA 520 of 2023 was disposed of by order dated 11/10/2023 by the said order. So para by the said order. This court also directed the learned AG to obtain up-to-date instruction regarding past history of any criminal allegations against the petitioner from the concerned superintendent of police of the area of local residence, that is Dhangai, PS Bikramganj, Rohtas, in the state of Bihar. The learned AG seeks further accommodation as prayed for list on 6th December 2023. The learned court in season of the matter shall be requested to furnish up to the status of the trial by 10th December 10th December, trial by 5th of December 2023. Let us see. Sorry? Next working date next 11 कर दो तो कैलेंडर देखो नहीं yes 10 तारीख is Sunday 11 कर दो. So Kanungo, you obtain up to date
That I have marked, my lord. Up to date
Yes.
CD, CA, if any,
CA from the local area.
from the local area also. Because he is a man belonging to Bihar.
Next, please.
Item 7.
On behalf of Mr. Ashok Das,
Your name, sir?
S.A.K.
Apart-
Dora, my lord.
Again?
S.A.K. Dora.
S.A.K. You have power, Mr. S.A.K. Dora for the petitioner. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner seeks adjournment for the 6th time. Counsel for the petitioner seeks adjournment for the 6th time. To grant further opportunity. List on. When do you want, sir?
December and any day. In December month, any days, man.
Question 5/12/2023 as prayed for to grant further opportunity to the petitioner.
Obligation.
The order dated 11/10/2023, noting the submissions of the petitioner, learned counsel for the petitioner to file affidavit regarding the past allegations of criminal activity shall be complied with by how much time? Further time affidavit upon dounanti.
Yes, my lord, wife of the petitioner is in ill.
That's not the question. What is the health condition of the wife? I am not asking, sir.
Yes, my lord, within 15
Sir,
days.
if there is a direction, please appreciate. Within 2 weeks, as prayed for. Date कर दो ना आंटी से गाड़ी करिए आज कितने तारीख है 6 तारीख by sufficient time then by 24 sir you are not doing any favor to anyone, to the prosecution, to the court. You are seeking indulgence to show that your bona fide that you have no past history of criminality.
Yes.
Because that is a very relevant consideration as far as application for bail is concerned under 439. Next, please.
Obligation.
Item 8,
Yes.
May I please? The last occasion, my lord directed to the
In
state
item
company.
8, on last occasion, my lord had directed state my lord to obtain instruction about the criminal activities from the local police, Chhattisgarh.
Mhm.
And after communication, this is the report I have received. One is in Hindi and the other one is
You take some time to go through that.
correct.
If actually you utilize the offices of the local, I mean the IO, he should do that work.
He has given. He has
So
given.
what he says, he should read that and tell you. That why. So you ask, so you take some. You are Mr. Raut,
Yes, my lord.
Mr. S.R. Raut. Mr. Saugata Das is no more the counsel.
No, my lord.
Mr. You are S.R. Raut or K.C. Behra?
Yes, sir, out.
Mr. S.R. Raut for the petitioner, Mr. S.S. Kanungo, AGA for the state. The Lord counsel for the. Upon कौन चाहूँ sir? What do you want, sir?
Last one, my lord directed to state council take accident. I have no knowledge about that the criminal antecedent as there. And injuries as my lord simple in me.
That it's not. The Baripada ISC has given me definite instruction that though he is a resident of that, his abode was verified. He is not staying there. He is frequently roaming around elsewhere. That itself indicates about his activities and indulgences otherwise in society.
And more so, how the court will ensure
So far,
where
Watson is-
the trial court or this
Yes,
court, how they will
Watson is-
ensure your appearance and how you will not because now the report is that you have no at the residential place you don't reside.
My lord, as quick as possible is date of occurrence on 12/11/2022. And on next 2 days, he was arrested. Though FIR was unknown and he was not arrested on the spot.
Sir, was he wearing the Aadhaar card on his?
Yes, yes.
So he was wearing his Aadhaar card so that the victim could not notice it.
upon is
Go through the same to appraise the court. କେବେ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି?
Within 2 weeks, my lord, a copy of the.
That is interesting. The December upon date ନବା କଥା ନଉଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ 2 weeks କହିଲେ. As prayed for list on. 23rd କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ 22/11/2023.
Madam, my lord, copy of the. Will be.
ସେ ଗୋଟେ ଆପଣ କାହିଁ ଦେବେ ସେଟା ଦିଆଯାଏ ଏଟା କଣ ମାନେ name of Mr. Saugata Das and associates shall be deleted from the cause list as well as the case brief. 9.
My lord, on the behalf of Somnath Satpathy, pass over after the launch.
To be called again at 2 p.m. Mr. Kanungo, you'll be available at 2 p.m.
I will, my lord.
Yes. 2 p.m.
item 10,
Item 10, may please your lordship.
Yes, please.
My lord,
Item 10 and 11 are, my lord, two co-accused, my lord.
Yes.
And my lord, your lordship may have a glance to the last order dated 11/10/2023. And my lord, the first order which has been passed with regard to the criminal antecedent, my lord, that was on 27/9/2023.
No. That is 11/9/2020.
11/9/2023. I may be pardoned, my lord. I'm also filing the affidavit of both the petitioners, my lord.
Serve copy.
My lord, I'm also serving the copy, and my lord,
Mr. Your name, sir?
I'm on record, my lord. D. Mahapatra.
Mr. D. Mahapatra. Full Devasis Mahapatra.
Devidatta Mahapatra, my
Mr.
lord.
Devidatta Mahapatra for the petitioner, Mr. Parthasarathi Nayak for the opposite party NCB. There is no facility of accepting papers in this court.
My lord.
The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he's filing, he's advised to file affidavit on behalf of.
My lord, I may be pardoned, my lord. I was not advised to file, my lord, as
Well, NCB was directed to obtain the.
So NCB, so you are not, are you appearing for NCB? Are you?
No, my lord.
Or I am confused.
No, my lord, I am appearing for the petitioner, my lord. As
So if you are not advised, then you can withdraw it. I have no problem.
my lord.
The petitioner has been advised to file affidavit. Sorry, the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he wants to file affidavit on behalf of the petitioner, indicating that indicating the past allegations of criminal activity, if any. He then submits that he has not been advised to file an affidavit, and he shall not file the affidavit on behalf of the petitioner.
My lord.
Yes. Yes, Mr. Nayak.
My lord, the petitioners in both the cases, they have no criminal antecedent, but the opium was seized, that is commercial quantity, from Manjit Sharma, that is 4 kg 610 gram of opium, and Seva Singh
4 kg 410 gram and Seva Singh 3 kg 790 gram.
The NCB to verify and obtain the past allegations of criminal activity against the petitioner, if any. As directed by order dated.
Order dated, my lord.
I'm looking at
11/9/2023.
11/9/2023, reiterated on 27/9/2023 and 11/10/2023. The learned senior panel counsel in response submits that he has obtained specific instructions from the investigating agency that as per the reports, here can we write police report, but it is, it is NCB, or
NCB
police report is there.
They have obtained the instruction from the police, local police.
As per the instructions obtained by NCB from the local police, there has been no past allegations against the petitioner.
Well,
the said report, can you have a copy? The copy of the said report is taken on record. The learned counsel for the NCB vehemently opposes the prayer for bail, stating that the contraband seized from the petitioner, one or two petitioner, plural.
Dita bail application.
Okay, from the petitioner is more than the commercial quantity. The learned counsel also refers to the section 37 of the NDPS Act to oppose the prayer for bail. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner shall abide by any terms and conditions that would be imposed for grant of bail to the petitioner. He shall also abide by the condition to appear and cooperate with the investigation, as well as subject himself to the jurisdiction of the court in session of the matter. Apart from opposing the prayer for bail, the learned senior panel counsel submits that if this court is inclined to grant bail, suitable conditions should be imposed to ensure the cooperation of the accused in the investigation and subsequent trial. Having heard learned counsel for the petitioner, the learned senior panel counsel for the investigating agency, and considering the material on record, this court is inclined to grant bail to the petitioner, subject to such stringent terms and conditions that would be imposed by the learned court in session of the matter, which shall also include a condition that a family relative or near relation, what you say?
Family member.
A family member of the petitioner shall stand surety. It shall also include a condition that any violation of public deviation from any of the terms and conditions that would be imposed for grant of bail shall result in filing of petition for cancellation of bail by the informant / victim / law enforcement agency. Disposed of accordingly.
My lord,
Yes,
other
please.
condition, my lord, the petitioners should directed to appear before the local police station. They will furnish their mobile number and they will not change that mobile number.
It shall also condition family member 10 that the petitioner shall appear before the local police station of
Chhattisgarh.
Chhattisgarh, local police station of his residence, local police station of jurisdiction at the place of residence of the petitioner, shall be available to be contacted over mobile phone, and such phone should remain active and shall not be changed.
In case of change, they will intimate the
Changed. Stop. In case of any change in the mobile number to contact the petitioner, same shall also be intimated to the investigating agency, public local police station,
as well as to the NCB office.
investigating agency. I'm not specific. I'm instead of NCB, I'm using investigating.
My lord.
Highly obliged, my lord. Highly obliged. My lord, 10,
Yes.
10 and 11 both are same, my lord.
11.
11.
But further one condition has to be there. The lauded court, if required, shall lauded court in session of the matter, if required, shall hear the learned counsel for the petitioner and learned counsel for the NCB before imposing the conditions for bail, and the bail shall be granted after satisfaction of the conditions to the satisfaction of the learned court regarding the conditions that is to be imposed.
Highly
Yes.
obliged, my lord. Highly
Yes,
obliged.
Yes,
Item 12.
10, 11, same order. Yes. 11 also your instruction is same. Mr. Naik, please. Mr. Parthasarathi Naik. 11 same instruction.
Co-accused, my lord.
But the instruction is common or it has to be taken on record?
Common, my lord.
Common. That instruction.
Same order. Just make a photocopy. Stamp. But file to alga achi na? Yes. And stamp it. Yes. Yes.
One case, common.
Yes, yes. That he is saying. But since the files are different, so it will be kept in that record also. Yes.
Obliged, my lord.
Next, please.
12 your lordship, 1 week after.
Mr. Jagabandhu Sahu,
Sir.
for the petitioner, Mr. Satyasundar Kanungo, AGA for the state. Learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation as prayed for list on 2111. 21/11/2023 to grant further opportunity to the petitioner. Here you have received the case diary and
164 and medical
the learned
examination
AGA,
report,
the learned
everything.
AGA submits that he has received the copy of the case diary furnished by the investigating agency, including the statement of the victim recorded under section 164 of CRPC. Yes. Next, please.
Item 13.
Item 39, my lord, kindly taken out to accept, my lord. On behalf of Mr. S. Ratha.
Your name, sir?
M.K. Swain, my lord, on behalf of S. Ratha, my lord.
M.K. Swain.
M.K. Swain.
Mr. M.K. Swain, on behalf of S. Ratha for the petitioner, Mr. S.S. Kanungo AGA for the state, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, yet again prays for adjournment. As prayed for list on
22
or one further time?
More.
Agu de diyo.
6/12.
6/12/2023 to grant further opportunity to the petitioner. Here case diary and everything is available.
Everything is there.
The learned AGA submits that case diary is available. Yes.
14.
Yes, please.
For 1 week after on behalf of Mr. Jena.
Your name, sir?
Divya Jivan Misra.
You don't have power. Mr. Dibya Jivana Misra, on behalf of petitioner, Mr. S.S. Kanungo, AGA for the state, Mr. Deepak Kumar Ponda for the informant. For the informant. Yes.
State legal.
The Learned Counsel for the petitioner, yet again prays for adjournment. As prayed for list on 23/11. Yes.
Next December.
Further diyantu. Further kariye. 29/11/2023 to grant further opportunity to the petitioner. The learned AGA submits that he has received the case diary and the statement of the victim recorded under section 164 of the CRPC. Yes. Next, please.
15.
Item 15, my lord, on behalf of Mr. Asit Kumar Jana, kindly be taken on board.
Your name, sir?
Bhavani Shankar Misra.
Mr. Bhavani Shankar Misra, on behalf of B.S. Misra, on behalf of Asit Kumar A.K. Jena for the petitioner, Mr. S.S. Kanungo AGA for the state, the Learned Counsel for the petitioner, yet again prays for adjournment. Para, as prayed for list on. Please be patient. Well, some wrong order will be, and later on it will be difficult to find out which is the correct order.
No, 15/16 is Kalimala.
Yes. 15/16, 16 same as 15. Then 17. Apply karantu. 16, 17.
17.
Read tab bhul re BLAPL file hi. Kunal Swain kara kono? Education ne kon hala?
Dilip Kumar Chandan. It's Balibula PS case.
CB NDPS again. Because teacher NDPS re
208 kg এটা আউকে হেতাই পারা দিস নেম সে
acha could be.
There I need to get the case diary.
My brief shows Kunal Kumar Swain X. I don't know whether they have typed this rightly or wrong.
It is also
You can
mentioned.
see in the screen whether I'm X.
Kunal Swain 10, maybe Roman 10 could be.
Roman 10, right?
Could be.
That's a good proposition. Petitioner none, Mr. Satyasundar Kanungo AGA for the state. Has he filed the affidavit indicating past criminal allegations? So Kanungo,
My lord,
have you received any copy?
no, I need to get the criminal antecedent
Okay.
case.
None for the petitioner, Mr. S.S. Kanungo AGA for the state. None appears for the petitioner when the matter is called. The affidavit indicating the past allegations of criminal activity, if any, against the petitioner has not been filed. To grant further opportunity, list on 23/11/2023. The learned AGA shall obtain the case diary along with the criminal antecedents of the petitioner, if any. Yes.
18,
Yes.
18, my lord, on behalf of Mr. Jena, kindly be taken on.
Mr. Bhavani Shankar Mishra,
Yes,
Mr. B.S. Mishra on behalf of A.K. Jena for the petitioner. Prayer for adjournment is made on behalf of the learned counsel for the petitioner. You have verified that affidavit, Mr. Devasis Naik,
my lord.
that affidavit
I have
the affidavit filed on behalf of the petitioner regarding past allegations of the criminal activities on record as prayed for to grant further opportunity to the petitioner. Sab para likhe. List on 21, 2911,
2911.
2911.
Oblast.
The learned AG shall obtain up-to-date instructions. You are having that copy, or
no, my lord. I didn't have it.
the learned counsel for the petitioner shall do well to serve another copy of the affidavit dated 3/8/2023 on the learned AG to enable him to obtain instruction. Yes.
19,
But ଯଦି ଅଛି copy ଏବେ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ. Yes, next please. 19. Your name, sir?
Vikas Karna.
Mr. Vikas Karna for the petitioner, Mr. Devasis Naik AG for the state. এটা তো ଯୋଉ CD ପଢିଲା ପରେ ଆଉ ଯୋଉ ଆର୍ଜନ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ନାଇଁ କି? ଠିକ ଅଛି. The learned counsel for the prayer for adjournment is made on behalf of the learned counsel for the petitioner due to non-availability of the arguing counsel as prayed for to grant further opportunity. List on 1/12/2023. The learned AG reiterates his submission that the case diary has been made available by the investigating agency. Yes.
20,
On behalf of Deepak Kumar Sahoo,
Your name, sir?
my name is R.R. Naik.
Mr. R.R. Naik on behalf of D.K. Sahoo for the petitioner. Mr. Devasis Naik AG for the state. The learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation. The order dated 17/10/2023 has not been complied with. You have served the copy of the affidavit.
I have received and verified it.
Okay. To grant further opportunity to the petitioner. So, para. List on 28/11/2023. Yes.
21,
21, my lord. I am also seeking adjournment.
Your name, madam?
Mrs. S. Das.
MS.S. Das, TSH, on behalf of Mohan Kumar Sahoo for the petitioner. Mr. Devasis Naik AG for the state. Learned counsel for the petitioner seeks adjournment. Affidavit has been filed.
Yes, my lord. Antecedent regarding antecedent.
Copy has been served. As prayed for list on date 1/12/2023 to grant further opportunity to the petitioner.
Obliged.
The learned AG submits that case diary is available.
my lord.
Case diary is available.
But they must serve a copy of the affidavit. Case diary is
Affidavit.
there.
The learned AG requests for another copy of the affidavit filed on behalf of the
Course
petitioner.
also.
The same shall be served. Yes. By
Also
the,
obliged.
yes, on the learned AG. Yes.
Item 22,
Status report, my lord.
Sir, you are for the informant.
Yes, my lord.
Mr. Devasis Naik, AG for the state, Mr. Jitendra Samantray for informant. The
ଗୋଟେ case ରେ involvement ହେଲା ସୁରାଟ case ରେ
So Gujarat ro
Interim-
case
Ah.
he had jumped bail. So
Hmm.
my lord had asked for a report whether
Hmm.
the Gujarat police to take his custody. That instruction hasn't come.
ସେ ସେଠୁ ଆସିଲା ପରେ ଏଠି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଏଠି ଆସି ଆଇ ୱିଟନେସ୍ କୁ ଆଟାକ୍ କରିଛନ୍ତି. The learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation. When do you want, sir?
କାଲି ଆସୁ
କାଲି ଆସିଲେ
1 week ପରେ ରଖନ୍ତୁ.
Instruction.
next week.
As prayed for, list on 20/11/2023. The learned AGS shall obtain instructions from the investigating agency in terms of the earlier order dated 6/10/2023. This order has been uploaded, Mr. Naik.
My lords.
Yes.
It was communicated also.
Yes.
Item 24.
Yes.
Please, your lordship.
Yes.
On the last occasion, it was adjourned as the state had taken an adjournment to obtain legible copy.
Yes,
of
it was not visible.
I have a legible copy.
Please provide that.
Man.
Mr. Devasis Ponda for the petitioner, Mr. Devasis Naik AGA for the state. Very well.
The background is dark, but it's visible.
Yes. No, that hazy problem that is not there.
Okay.
Yes, Mr. Ponda.
Please, your lordship.
Yes, please.
Lords, the FIR was initially registered under 363 IPC.
Yes.
I was taken into custody on 12/4/2023. And thereafter, a charge sheet has been submitted on 9/6/2023 under 363, 366, 376 2N and 6 of the POCSO Act.
Yes. So here there is no statutory mandate for hearing the victim is not there.
No.
Kindly just repeat those sections 376(3). You said
I have implemented the opposite party, informant as opposite party number.
376(3) is there. 3(8). Learned counsel for the petitioner refers to the earlier order dated 16/10/2023 to submit that the instructions from the state has not been received. The para the learned AGA seeks further accommodation as prayed for. List on 20/11/2023. ଆଜି କେତେ ତାରିଖ ଯେ?
ଆଜି 7
7 ଓକେ 20 ଠିକ ଅଛି 17 ପରେ 20 ହଉ ଠିକ ଅଛି. Yes.
46.
Yes.
Not praying for 1 week time.
Your name, sir?
Because the
Vikas Dale. Mr. Vikas Dale for the petitioner, Mr. Devasis Naik AGA for the state. Learned counsel for the petitioner yet again seeks for accommodation. As prayed for, list on 21/11/2023 to grant further opportunity to the petitioner. You have received the case diary.
That was the old case diary is there. My lord.
The learned AGS will obtain up-to-date case diary and instructions. Yes, next please.
27.
Next, Your Lordship. Here in
Yes.
this case, my lord, the alleged offence under section 372N, 294, 506, read with section 6 of POCSO Act.
376.
Here the present
376
petitioner.
free ଅଛି notice ହେଇଛି 376(3) ତ
My Bakla, I have not signed my Bakla memo of authorization in this matter. Item 28.
28 you are appearing for informant or the petitioner.
Petitioner, I'm filing my authorization. Unfortunately, I could not sign in my.
Mr. Das.
Yes.
Mr. Das. For the petitioner, along with Ms. Rajalakshmi Bishwal. For the petitioner, Mr. Devasis Naik, AGA for the state. Mr. B.S. Das, along with Ms. Rajalakshmi Bishwal for the petitioner.
Madam, the petitioner is the husband. He has been arrested since 30th June 2022. 36.
Husband,
36,
he has
30th.
Petitioner, Mr. Devasis Naik, AGA for the state. The learned affidavit has been filed. Copy has been served.
Yes, I have filed affidavit.
The learned AGA submits that the affidavit in terms of the earlier order dated 25/8/2023, reiterated on 9/10/2023, has been filed. Served. The copy of the affidavit has been served on the AGA, so as to enable him to obtain instruction. As spread for list on 21, Mr. Panda.
I think the CD may be available in connected matters.
So you give him the number so that he at least.
No, I don't have the numbers of every. Yes, yes. BLAPL 9034 of 2023 has been disposed of on
It will
11.
be listed in the week, 20th week or which week?
Any week.
Date करो 24/11/2023. The learned AGS shall obtain up-to-date case diary, status of the investigation, oblique trial. Yes.
Item 31.
You are there. Call again at 2 p.m.
32.
32 and 33 are same.
Yes, what to do, Mr. Panda?
31, 32, 33 same, and pursuant to Miller's direction, we file affidavit Miller and below commercial quantity 72 gram brown sugar and custody Miller in
total kete helani ki 31 33 de samuday quantity kete
72 grams. Total 72 grams.
समुदाय बास करी ना जणका बास करी
समुदाय भाई 32 33
अब बाहर आ अन्य माने कोड केते ग्राम थिला आ का धरा पड़ आ जो धरा पड़ले न अन्य माने
सीजी पॉकेट रोहित दास विद दिस पिटिशन ड्राइवर मो केस जण को रोहित दास ता पकरे सीजी ची दा पॉकेट पैंट पॉकेट बोली that's what I say the page 6 उत्तम रोहित दास
yes 72 grams आपनकर किसी जो फास्ट मैटर टा मु टेक अप करूची दैट इज प्रदीप कुमार साहू सेतरे आपण आगुरु अरेस्ट हे की बेल रे जाइछंती
31 निमलो 32 टा ओवर हैला 32 33 सेम 32 माय लॉन एंड सीनियर
31 डन कनेक्टेड नो सॉरी
32 my lord and senior.
32 mean both these cases, my lord.
This
so similar matter कोचंती 32 33 two matters ना आपण आउट मेंशन करले
no
32 ye 8 to receive the CD, my lord.
Same good.
Both of these cases.
Below commercial quantity brown sugar and last occasion order dated 7/10/2020.
कोन द वेस्ट बेंगल रु जो आछंती लोकल सिक्युरिटी रे दियंतु नले तो हेई परिवनी आपण जहाटा आपण तो माने यू नो बेटर देन मी जे कोन कोर्ट कोथरे दउचंती कोथरे दउ नांती सो हम बुझबो ना अर्जनमेंट हबो आपण गोटे दिन इंस्ट्रक्शन आनिबे आ गोटे दिन को रहइबो कहबो वाइफ रो देह खराब के कहलानी एटा कोन माने व्हाट इज दिस बाय द wife of the petitioner has been filed regarding the allegations of criminal activity, if any. The copy of the affidavit has been served on the learned AG to enable him to obtain instruction. The learned AG shall obtain up-to-date case diary and also report from the police of jurisdiction of the local area of residence of the petitioner. Regarding the past allegations of criminal activity, if any, against the petitioner. List on, when do you want?
Next week. Next week.
Next week as per you. List on 22nd. By that time, you should have arranged this. Or else it will go to the court below. After you file affidavit or the local security, the court ensures, then it becomes a kind of a precondition. Then I don't think that's an easier course for the lawyer also. If they commit themselves to furnish local security, their family relation, they have to show to the lawyer at least. Trust kariben tale se kahi file court case. That is a discussion. That's not part of my order. Yes, next.
Item 33.
Here, my lord, petitioner, brother of the petitioner number 3, filed this affidavit in terms of the order dated 17/10/2000.
He is a co-accused in the same case?
Yes, my lord.
He's a local person?
No, my lord.
He's from Howrah,
West Bengal.
Again, the same order. Affidavit you are filing today?
Yes.
You file it in the registry?
Yes.
So that it can be updated.
Already copy solved, my lord.
The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that Mr. A.R. Ponda for the petitioner, Mr. Devasis Naik AGA for the state. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that in terms of the order dated 17/10/2023. In terms of his submissions as recorded in the order dated 17/10/2023, he's filing affidavit on behalf of the petitioner.
But this affidavit pertains to the criminal antecedents.
Affidavit on behalf of the petitioner indicating the past allegations of criminal activity, if any, stuff. Affidavit shall be taken on record. Scanned copy be updated. Scanned copy of the brief be updated. The copy of the affidavit is served on the learned AG who shall obtain updated instruction. As directed earlier, the learned AG shall also obtain criminal antecedents from the local area of the residence of the petitioner in the state of West Bengal through the concerned SP. A line type add kar debe. As spread for list on 22 re kebe gula 22. Yes.
That's a copy of the order be uploaded.
Copies are uploaded. Mr. B.K. Naik for the petitioner. Yes, Mr. Naik. Mr. Devasis Naik AGA for the state.
But same as item 23. 20 same affair actually.
Same affair. The item 23 coach na. So that is equal to 23. Say same order ta kariye puri. Divergent order. Yes, next please. 35 रे बोले virtual courtroom रे अछंती just.
May I please, Your Honor?
Yes.
In this case, the petitioner Kesav Bhai is alleged to have committed an offence under section 363, 376(1), 506, 34, 109 of IPC. The allegation against this.
Yes, madam. You don't have to elaborate on the. But what you are.
Pardon?
Your name, madam. You don't have. You have M.S.Sahoo.
Pushpanjali Sahoo.
Ms. Pushpanjali Sahoo for the petitioner, Mr. Standing counsel for the state. You have received criminal antecedent. The learned counsel for the petitioner, Ms. P. Sahoo, M.S.P. Sahoo, being present at the virtual court, Odisha High Court, Koraput at Jaipur, addresses arguments.
Since legible copy of 164 statement was not there, that was.
ठीक है मिस्टर सतपथ मिस्टर सत्य सुंदर कानून गो AGA for the state.
Copy भी
Mr.
given, my lord.
Yes,
Mr.
sir.
Sorry, please kindly just repeat your name.
BP Misra.
Mr. BP Misra on behalf of B Raut for the informant. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he is filing the affidavit in terms of his submissions as noted in the earlier order. (6/10/2023), reiterated on 18/10/2023. Copy of the affidavit shall be taken on record. Scanned copy be updated. Learned counsel for the petitioner serves copy of the affidavit on the learned AGA, who shall obtain instruction. As prayed for list on 17 or one further time.
17.
List on 2011-2023. Yes.
Lordship, one copy may be.
Strictly speaking, you have no role for as far as the copy is concerned. That is the role of the prosecution. I was thinking whether I should direct. You are informant in one case or multiple cases?
One case, ma'am.
So, he has already made you a party.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Pass over item 31.
None appears for the petitioner, though the petitioner none, Mr. Devasis Naik, AGA for the state. None appears for the petitioner when the matter is called. On the last occasion, Sri Anup Senapati, Learned Counsel, had mentioned that on the last occasion, as indicated in the order dated 9/10/2023, Sri Anup Senapati, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioner, Learned Counsel submitted that he has instructions to appear and he shall file Wakalatnama. Accordingly, then accordingly, comma, the matter was adjourned for filing of the Wakalatnama. None appears when the matter is called. Due to non-appearance for the petitioner, to grant further opportunity, list on 21/11/2023, the Learned AGA has obtained the case diary. The Learned AGA submits that case diary is available. Yes, next.
Item 36.
Item 36, May I pray? Let it take 1 week after.
Your name, sir?
My name is SK Mahanti.
SK Mahanti, you have power here.
Yes.
Mr. SK Mahanti for the petitioner, Mr. Devasis Naik, AGA for the state. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation to comply with the order dated 31/8/2023. As prayed for list on 23/11 or further time you want?
23/11.
23/11/2023. Here you are appearing or this is item 36. 36. Mr. TK Prahara, standing counsel. Okay. Case diary is available. Yes, the Learned Standing Counsel submits that case diary has been received. Yes.
37.
May I please, your lordship? Here, the list offense.
Your name, sir? Apanako nata kon, sir?
Vibhuti Bhushan Behera.
Sir, Vibhuti Bhushan Behera for the petitioner. I'm sorry, I could not remember your name. So I have seen you. Mr. Standing Counsel for the state. Yes. Yes, what do you want, sir?
But here I want, I have to collect some.
The Learned Counsel for the
statement of the
petitioner seeks accommodation to advance arguments as prayed for. List on
29/11.
29/11. Yes.
Chit is there.
Learned Standing Counsel submits that case diary is available.
38.
Item 38 on behalf of Mr. Das, kindly adjourn, my lord.
Your name, sir?
Myself, Dhirendra Kumar Mahapatra.
Mr. Dhirendra Kumar Mahapatra for the on behalf of Soumya Ranjan Das. D.K. Mahapatra on behalf of S.R. Das for the petitioner. Mr. Standing Counsel for the state. Learned Counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation to advance arguments as paid for list on
Any date, my lord, 1 week after.
28 ना कितने को
आगे
28/11
My lord.
28/11/2023 the Learned Standing Counsel submits that case diary is available.
May I prefer on the item number 47 also, my lord?
Kindly wait, sir. I have to dictate a order. You must understand
Yes, my lord.
the system that if you want an adjournment, you can inform any of your friends also sitting here. And they will mention it when if you are not there.
39.
Lordship, item 39 also pray for a week after.
Ms. Pratyusha Naidu for the petitioner, Mr. Standing Counsel for the state. Here 2N is there, so notice is to go.
No.
2N notice is not mandated.
Not necessary.
The Learned Counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation to advance arguments as prayed for list on 30/11.
Lordships.
Yes.
Item 40.
Item 40 also, Lordships, Mr. Dwivedi probably has some difficulty.
Miss Pratyusha Naidu on behalf of S.K. Dwivedi for the petitioner. Prayer for adjournment is sought for on behalf of the Learned Counsel for the petitioner. As prayed for list on 1/12/2023. The Learned Standing Counsel submits that case diary is available.
41.
In this case, I sought for some evidence filed करते आने पे गए थे आदमी.
Trial started.
चारी बार.
For submission of copy of depositions. But city is not that trial started. That's
Item 42.
Pray for 1 week after, my lord. R.R. Naik. Wife of the petition serious, my lord, so 1 week after.
To comply with the earlier order dated 6/10/2023 to file affidavit on behalf of the petitioner as prayed for list on 6/12 28/11/2023. Here the status of the Learned Standing Counsel submits that case diary is available.
43.
Miss Pratyusha Naidu on behalf of Suryakanta Dwivedi. Same order कर दियो तो same as 40.
44.
43 trial has commenced.
Yes, sir. As for the rejection order, my lord, some of the witnesses are mentioned.
So that means after trial has started, he has filed a petition. Because the rejection order says that.
Yes, my lord.
Is it a good strategy? Yes, please.
On behalf of Niranjan Behra.
Your name, sir? Your name?
Nitu Kumar Biswal.
Mr. M.K. Biswal on behalf of N. Behra for the petitioner. West Bengal.
Arjun Bhattu Maru.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation. To advance arguments, as prayed sorry, a prayer for adjournment is sought for by the learned counsel for the petitioner on ground of personal difficulty, as paid for list on 7/12/2023, 7th December.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow not possible, sir. At this time, how the file will be returned after signature? Could you tell? ଆପଣଙ୍କର କଣ instruction ନାହିଁ December ପାଇଁ?
ମତେ କହିଥିଲେ କି tomorrow କରିବା
କେସ୍ ଡାଏରୀ ଆସିଯାଇଛି କି?
Actually, କିନ୍ତୁ 161 statement are ନାହିଁ. That's why also I pray.
ସେ ପଢି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି କେସ୍ ଡାଏରୀ ଆଉ।
ସବୁ ଯାକ ନ ଆଣିଲେ ହବନି। And important state 161 statement of SEC of
କଣ ଲେଖିଲେ? Adjournment 20 ରେ ରହିବ ନା କେବେ?
Yes.
List on 21/11/2023, 21/11/2023. The learned standing counsel shall obtain up-to-date case diary and instructions. No, there are two earlier orders to produce the case diary.
Yes.
So that is how I was asking you. Yes. Next.
45.
My lord, I'm T.K. Das on behalf of Mr. B. Singh, my lord, 2 weeks after.
Mr. T.K. Das on behalf of B.B. Singh for the petitioner, Vishnu Brata Singh. For the petitioner, Mr. Standing Counsel for the state.
City is not there.
The learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation.
Let them file affidavit.
As prayed for list on 28/11/2023 to grant further opportunity.
Obliged, my lord.
Para, the learned standing counsel shall obtain up-to-date instructions oblique case diary. Yes.
Obliged.
Yes.
46.
Item 46.
Yes.
Offense under section 302. Some time may be required to.
Parthasarathi Das for the petitioner, Mr. Standing Counsel for the state. Learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation to advance arguments. As prayed for list on 29/11/2023.
City is there.
Learned standing counsel submits that case diary is available. Yes.
47.
47. Yes.
My lord, on behalf of Mr. Das, my lord.
Yes, please.
Like the previous matter has been keeping on 28/11. May I pray for 28/11, same day?
No, previous matter number ta kohibe na. How do I correlate?
My lord, item 38, my lord.
38 previous matter means which matter, sir?
No, not saman no again. যেহেতু সেইটা টাইম নিয়েছিল 28/11 করে হচ্ছে
sir I মানে ମୁଁ ବୁଝି ପାରିଲି ସୌମ୍ୟ ରଞ୍ଜନଙ୍କର ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କୋ ମ୍ୟାଟରଟା ଅଛି
38 ଟା ଆଜ୍ଞା 38
ଥିଲା ଓ ନାଇଁ ଏଥିରେ ସବମିଶନ କଣ sir?
କମିଶନ
ଆପଣ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି? ଆପଣ ତ ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ସବୁଥିରେ ଅର୍ଡର ଦେଖିକି ପଚାରୁଛି, ଆପଣ ତ ସିଧା କହିବେ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି କି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି?
ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି ବୋଧେ।
Your name, sir?
Dhirendra Mahapatra.
Mr. Dhirendra Mahapatra, Mr. D. Mahapatra on behalf of S.R. Das for the petitioner, Mr. Standing Counsel for the state. Learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation to file affidavit in terms of the earlier order. Affidavit on behalf of the petitioner in terms of the earlier order regarding past allegations of criminal activity, if any. Para, as prayed for list on 28/11/2023 to grant further opportunity. Para, the learned standing counsel submits that case diary is available.
Obliged.
Yes. Then the next sub item. So Das, there is a sub item.
Another question.
Say three appearance contact कौन लिखिले 47 appearance. So D. Mahapatra on behalf of Vishwaranjan Dali.
No, my lord, on behalf of Somiranjan Das.
Indicating the past allegations of criminal activity, if any, has been filed, which is on record. The learned standing counsel shall obtain up-to-date instruction. Yes. Date केबे करछन्ती?
28/11.
List on 28/11.
Item 48.
My lord, may kindly see the rejection order. In para 9, it has been stated that the bail petition of the above named accused has already been rejected by the Hon'Ble High Court earlier. Para 9.
Earlier, prior to filing of final police prosecution
Yes,
report.
well, then my lord, if that has been disposed
But
by
the appear कौन नांती है कौन करे?
coordinate internal, that will have to go before that.
ABLAPL reject ହେଇଥିଲା ନା BLAPL reject ହେଇଥିଲା ସେଟା ଗୋଟେ କଥା.
Already rejected, bail application rejected. In para 9 man, my lord, may kindly see.
Number ଟା ଜଣା ପଡୁଛି କି case number?
My lord, that is not there. I was also, my lord, checking in the website also, my lord, that is also not available. How this has been reflected in the order sheet?
That is order sheet internal page paragraph 10.
Internal paragraph 9 and that is page 50.
None appears for the petitioner none, Mr. Standing Counsel for the state. This is item
48.
48. The Learned Standing Counsel refers to the order dated 2/6/2023 passed by the Learned Additional Session Judge cum Special Judge Jaipur in TR case number 92 of 2021 as has been annexed to the petition. In the said paragraph, it is indicated that the bail petition of the above name accused has already been rejected by the High Court. No doubt, charge sheet has been submitted in the meantime. So I don't know, but the FIR the FIR report I have received, that is annexed here, the first page, that doesn't indicate any BLAP. The register tapare sapara kari lekhantu by the High Court earlier. The above named accused has already been rejected by the High Court earlier. Stop, sapara. The FIR details match furnished by the registry doesn't refer to any such disposed of BLAPL. Public petition. Into bracket petition kar diyo. BLAPL into bracket petition. The registry shall again verify if sapara, verify if any such BLAPL has been disposed of arising out of Jaipur Sadar FIR number 253/2021. That is the FIR number. Yes. Yes, next please.
Because that was a condition for rejection of the bail.
Right.
In the next page, it has indicated since Honorable Court has rejected the bail application on merit, I'm not interested.
No, he says that although charge sheet has filed in the meanwhile,
yes,
because the bail petition that was disposed of by this court, it was on the ground that since if the charge sheet has in the meanwhile been filed, let the petitioner move the learned court in session of the matter. That is apparent from that order. But somehow the bail petition number is not there. Yes, next.
My lord, item numbers 49 and 50 kindly be taken up next to
List on. Get 48 23 kar diyo. 49 and your name, sir?
50, my lord.
Your name?
Vinod Kumar Bhoi, BKB. My name is there, my lord.
Acha, you are there. Mr. BK Bhoi for the petitioner. Mr. Standing Counsel for the state, Mr. Mohendra Kumar MK Mahapatra for the informant. The learned counsel for the petitioner seeks further accommodation as prayed for. List on 4/12/2023 to grant further opportunity.
May I pray your lordship?
Yes, please.
You may be directed, my friend may be directed to serve one copy of the bail application to me.
Informant ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ ପାଇନାହାନ୍ତି କପି ପାଇନାହାନ୍ତି
ନା
କହିଲେ ସେ ଦେବେ ସେ ଅର୍ଡର କଣ ଦରକାର
last occasion also I submitted the same before.
ସେପଟକୁ ପଳେଇବେ କି ସେପଟେ ଯାହା ତ ଏପଟ ରହିବେ
You get everything.
Oblige, madam.
Yes. 50 same.
Well,
49 50 same.
49 50.
Prior order କିଛି ଥିଲା?
ନାଇଁ କିଛି CD call for it.
The city is there.
The learned standing counsel submits that case diary is available.
Eyewitnesses, a number of eyewitnesses.
Yes, next.
51.
Mr. Standing Counsel for the State Petitioner. For petitioner. The office note put up by the registry indicates that service return from the sole opposite party of the admission notice has not been received.
Yes, notice.
Lord, Standing Counsel seeks leave to take notice afresh to the petitioner to the sole opposite party, by registered post with AD.
Within 3 weeks.
Let requisites be issued, requisites be filed for issuance of notice by registered post with AD within 3 weeks. List after SR.
52.
LCR aguru call for hitila ki the first matter LCR has been called for. There is a noting.
LCR not received. I don't may call.
The registry shall send requisition for LCR from the Learned Court as directed earlier. Scanned copy be updated. Yes.
Item 52.
The opposite party no. 52 Mr. S.S. Mahapatra, Learned ASC for the petitioner state. The office note put up by the registry indicates that the notice on limitation issued to OP number 4. Office note dated data data specified office note dated so and so indicates that the notice on limitation issued to OP number 4 is returned unserved with postal remark address expired. The Lord ASC submits that he may be accommodated to obtain specific instructions regarding such remarks and do the needful. As prayed for, further 4 weeks time granted. So instruction and do the needful because you have to substitute.
Yes, my lord.
If anything survives, or else it will abate.
Or abate.
Yes. So you just as prayed for, further 4 weeks time to granted to the petitioner to do the
needful. Opposite parties have already represented through advocate, my lord.
No one is appearing.
Yes.
Mr. Pandey.
So after the
verification, first of all, postal remark. I think there is no rule in the High Court rules to declare him that he is dead.
No, my lord.
So that has to be your instruction.
Specific instruction is necessary.
Yes.
My lord.
And if then it will abate, then you are not substituting the legal hair.
Yes,
so it will be deleted.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. 53.
Mr. S.S. Mahapatra, ASC for the
sorry, my lord.
state.
That is this.
I'm sorry.
Press notice to
53.
53. Press notice, my lord.
53 notice mein noting to kichhi nahi. LCR katha lekha hai.
Oh, sorry. Defect is there. There is an order of 19th June of 2007.
'53 is 96 of 2007.
Yes.
Number is
yes,
correct.
sir. Notice there.
SR is there since appeal lies under section 377 CRPC.
Well,
so the appeal will be to the sessions court.
And that is appeal against acquittal. That noting, my lord, I could know only currently.
Screen ta bhule diyo.
I'll go through and I will.
Just kindly I'm just showing you. If it is
Yes,
possible, then
yes.
That's how basic କରନ୍ତୁ। The last 1906. enlarge कर ଦଉଛି। ଦୁଶ୍ଚି? One, since an appeal lies under section
an appeal
377
lies
CRPC,
to the
CRLLP is not maintainable. Leave दरकार नहीं। 377 CRPC कौन है?
से भूल कर दे से provision is wrongly mentioned, lordship. 377.
This is against sentence.
Yes, 37 instead of 378. That has been mentioned.
Here there is a order of conviction.
No, they are acquittal, my lord. Earlier, yes, my lord. Earlier there was
3 months imprisonment ହେଇଛି against undergo for Mr. Rajiv Lochan Pradhan.
Conviction was there.
So Rajiv Lochan Pradhan is the opposite party here.
One of the accused, my lord, has been acquitted. Rajiv Lochan Pradhan.
It is for enhancement.
Yes. So that will also be an appeal, my lord. Not appeal.
If you take 378,
Yes, ma'am.
then
Holding the
378
acquittal.
3.
Yes, ma'am.
378 3.
Yes, my lord. I am holding that.
So no appeal to the High Court under subsection 1 of subsection 2 shall be entertained except with the leave of the High Court.
Yes, ma'am.
But similar provision is not there in 377.
377 has been wrongly mentioned here.
No, it's not wrong.
Sorry, and also here.
377, how do you say? No, it's not wrong. 377 is for enhancement, and here your prayer is for enhancement.
Yes. That will
prayer page, just go to the prayer page, that is page 6. 6 of last page of the petition, just
Yes,
above the affidavit.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Least to enhance the sentence passed against the accused.
Yes. Enhancement is
So, 377.
Yes.
So what the SR is saying,
appellable, my lord, before the appropriate forum, before the sessions court, because it has been passed by the assistant sessions judge. This order has been passed.
So
by
assistant sessions court, it doesn't lie to the High Court.
No, that will be before the sessions court. It has been wrongly filed there, man.
No, because Mr. Mahapatra, because it says to the court of session if the sentence is passed by the magistrate.
No.
To the High Court if the sentence is passed by the any other court.
If leave to appeal is filed.
No, leave to appeal is not the necessary.
Because here
leave to appeal is not necessary here.
377.
Yes.
Lordship kindly have glance to uh, 3.
Yes, please.
377(3).
Yes.
When an appeal has been filed against the sentence on the ground of its inadequacy.
No, I just draw your attention to the paragraph just above that.
My lord.
Present an appeal against the sentence on the ground of inadequacy.
My lord.
A. To the court of session.
Yes.
If the sentence is passed by the magistrate.
Here.
Then B. To the High Court if the sentence is passed by any other court.
Any other court.
So it is High Court.
Assistant session judge is considered as a magistrate.
Is magistrate?
Yes, ma'am.
Define.
Yes. Because all the appeals lies against the magistrate, assistant sessions to the sessions court.
But I think assistant session judge is not the magistrate. He's above magistrate. Just verify you obtain instruction.
I'll take.
But anyway, but then where is the provision for LP? Leave. The provision for leave is not there.
Leave is not there.
So the nomenclature, but you mark the nomenclature.
This prayer for granting leave for filing of a leave is not
necessary. So just
it
see.
Will be a direct.
So then, but it has been filed as a LP.
Yes,
Serial
CRL,
53.
That will be CRLA. That will be if that is.
So you verify and do the needful.
But in all cases, we file against assistant sessions order. We file appeal before the sessions court.
Okay.
That is.
Mr. S.S. Mahapatra, ASC for the state. The staff report indicates that since court kar debe, it is at flag K. Since an appeal lies under section 377 CRPC, CRLLP is not maintainable. Lord AGA seeks accommodation to verify and do the needful.
To take appropriate action accordingly.
Do the needful in accordance with law.
Well.
So it has to be converted. It has to be converted, and if it is to be filed before the sessions court, then this is not the forum.
Well.
Yes.
Sometimes there was an order of this honorable court to file a memo, and that will be to transport to the
yes. But that decision has to come because you have to call.
Because
this is being done by the director public DPP. Then you have to write him.
So many of the
as a lawyer, you have a limited role. You can advise them, let them do whatever they want.
I'll call that officer and
Yes.
I'll discuss. Let's keep it to
just verify from whom it has come. To your office. It might have come from DPP, Director Public Prosecution.
Yes.
Yes.
On Director of Public Prosecution's note, it has been filed.
Yes.
That is there. It is a old, very old file.
4 weeks per date karo. Date not necessary because you have to take steps. I am granting further 4 weeks.
4 weeks. No, I am calling the.
Yes. Next, please.
54.
54 none for the petitioner. None appears for the petitioner to grant further opportunity. List on 6/12/2023.
55.
55 will not fresh notice to go because door was locked at that time.
Mr. S.S. Mahapatra, Additional Standing Counsel for the State. Office note dated so and so, put up by the registry indicates that the notices issued by registered post with AD to OP 4 and 5 remains unserved and has been returned. Para the Lord AC 6 leave to take notice afresh to the opposite party number 4 and 5. Para prayer is allowed. Let notice be issued by registered post with AD afresh to the opposite parties 4 and 5, requisites for which shall be filed within 4 weeks.
My lord,
List after SR.
in such matters, what we have come across, my lord, 3-4 occasions, my lord, we have sought for correct address from the IAC.
Yes.
They said they are correct address. I disputed, no notice return. So they took the accused to their police station and confronted, no, that is there, and we sent them the Aadhaar card. Their address was verified. I verified from the record, that is correct.
Okay.
But deliberately they are avoiding to receive the notice from the postal department.
Yes.
My lord, in such cases, can you take notice through Dasti so that it can be solved and at least, my lord, there.
Dasti also. Dasti in addition to registered post.
No.
But Dasti is also at times very difficult.
Yes, ma'am.
Only because you have the, advantage of having the police force.
Yes.
So Dasti, no lawyer will, and Dasti is to be but not by the police. Dasti by the lawyer.
Because we have the agency for that.
So for agency, actually, strictly speaking, maybe I am not very sure that is Dasti.
My lord. No, in
Dasti means by hand.
By hand.
Anyway, Dasti is also permitted.
Man.
Item 56.
56, my lord, press notice to go on.
By registered post with AD has been returned unserved. The learned additional standing counsel 6 leave to take notice afresh to the opposite parties 2 and 3 by registered post with AD. Para prayer is allowed. Let notice be issued afresh by registered post with AD to the opposite parties 2 and 3. Requisites for issuance of notice be filed within 4 weeks. Requisites for issuance of notice in the present correct address.
Man.
Present correct address should be filed within 4 weeks.
57.
Same order.
Same.
Mr. Mahapatra.
Yes.
Just mention the date. Yes.
58.
None appears for the Mr. Swai has passed away. Antarjami Swai has passed away.
Yes.
None appears for the petitioner when the matter is called. The registry shall issue notice to the petitioner regarding the next date of hearing if the petitioner wants to pursue the matter any further. List on 7/12/2023.
59.
Yes.
Delay for 141 days, man.
MC 1544 of 2013. Mr. L. Bhuya for the petitioner. The miscase has been for the condoning the delay of 141 days in filing the petition. Issue notice to the opposite party.
Notice has gone.
It has gone. What is the order?
27/11/2013. Requisites filed on 28.
The notice miscase purata kati lekhontu miscase ta khelo na appearance hola miscase the office note put up by the registry dated 16/12/2013 16/12/2013 indicates that AD receipt from the sole opposite party after personal receipt. None appears for the opposite party when the matter is called. Registry shall verify if any learned counsel has entered appearance on behalf of the sole opposite party. What you can do, you can take a admission notice, because limitation, even if the delay is condoned,
Yes.
no one is appearing. So when the result is of, let it come after some time, let them verify, they should verify if any learned counsel has entered appearance on behalf of the opposite party. List on 18/12.
All right.
Yes, please.
60.
Sir, so the petitioner has died. So therefore, all the criminal proceedings stand abated. For item 16.
You are on behalf of?
Petitioner, sir.
Sir, your power is not there. You are Abhinas Naik.
Yes, sir. Abhinas Naik.
Which matter you have not mentioned in the VC? Which matter you are appearing for?
Appearing for item 60.
But here Sanjay Rath and B. Bhadra are on record.
Yes, sir. I am just instructed to attend this.
Who has instructed you, sir?
Sir, I think.
According to your statement, he could not have. He is no more. He could not have instructed you.
Yes, sir.
Sir, who has instructed you to appear for the petitioner? You are saying that petitioner has passed away.
Yes, sir.
Then how can you get instruction from him?
Sir, from the learned senior, sir.
Sir, who is the learned senior?
Sanjay Rath, sir. I think.
Mr. Abhinas Naik on behalf of Sanjay Ratha for the petitioner. Mr. S.S. Mahapatra, Additional Standing Counsel for the State. Learned Counsel for the petitioner on instruction submits that the petitioner has unfortunately passed away and nothing survives in the matter to be adjudicated before this court. The petition stands disposed of. Para, the petition stands disposed of. Yes, next.
81.
Mr. DK na PK Malik se? Mr. PK Malik on behalf of S. Mahapatra for the petitioner. Mr. S.S. Mahapatra, Additional Standing Counsel for the State. Here there is no state. Mr. For the petitioner, opposite party blank. The learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation to obtain up-to-date instruction as paid for list on 15/12/2023.
62.
Mr. Simpson Jena on behalf of Sarthak Naik for the petitioner. Prayer for adjournment is made on behalf of the learned counsel for the petitioner as paid for list on 19/12/2023.
63.
My lord, 63 and 64.
Yes.
That was requested by Mr. Sangram Das, Standing Counsel Vigilance.
Yes.
That he has gone for operation of his wife. It is noticed to go in.
Mr. S.S. Mahapatra, standing on behalf of Sangram Das, Standing Counsel Vigilance. IA. This is item 63. IA 102 of 2018. IA has been filed for condonation of delay of 63 days in filing the petition. Had learned counsel for the petitioner issue notice by registered post with 80 to the sole opposite party. Requisites for issuance of notice by registered post with 80 be filed within 3 weeks. List after SR. Yes,
64.
Next. IA 114 of 2018. The delay. This is a delay for condoning the delay of 904 days. Delay of 204 days in filing the petition. Issue notice to the sole opposite party by registered post with AD because it's be filed within 3 weeks. How much time? 3 weeks. Yes. List after yes, sir. Yes, please. Next.
65.
Mr. S.K. Nanda on behalf of Debasis Tripathi for the petitioner. Opposite party blank. The learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation to remove the defects and take steps for limitation. Prayer is allowed, further time is granted for removal of defect and taking steps for limitation.
66.
For the time for the time of 3 weeks. 3 weeks granted. Yes. 4 weeks. 4 weeks. Yes.
66.
Mr. A. Misra. A. Misra for the petitioner. Opposite party blank. The learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation to obtain up-to-date instructions as prayed for list on 18/12/2023.
67.
Mr. Saubhagya Kumar Das for the petitioner.
There is delay of
You will take notice.
my lord. Okay.
Saubhagya Kumar Das for the petitioner. Opposite party blank. The IA number 136 of 2018. The IA has been filed for condonation of delay of 401 days for 401 days in filing the petition. Hard learned counsel for the petitioner issue notice to the opposite party by registered post with AD. Requisites for issuance of notice be filed within 3 weeks.
3 days.
3 days, 1 week. Yes. List after SR. Yes, next please.
68.
Mr. Debasis Panda for the petitioner. Opposite party blank. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the case brief has been misplaced and he may be accommodated. As paid for list on 14/12/2023. 14/12/2023.
Item
The LCR, the registry shall call for the LCR, which shall be scanned and the scanned copy be updated. Which shall be scanned and the copy be, the case brief be updated. Yes. Next, please.
Hello, I'm applying for the opposite party in the criminal leave application, and I have been informed that he has expired since 23/8/2018.
Sir, do you have the certificate?
Lord, I can file an affidavit, but I will need some time to.
Yes. Mr. 69, Mr. S.S. Mahapatra on behalf of Sangram Das, standing counsel for the petitioner. Mr. Devi Prasad Patnaik, D.P. Patnaik on behalf of opposite party. The learned counsel for the opposite party submits that he has received instructions that in the meanwhile the opposite party has unfortunately passed away on
23/2018.
23/8/2018. Para, the learned counsel for the submits that he shall obtain he shall file affidavit on behalf of the legal heir of the opposite party, indicating the same.
The sub case also, the revision.
It's prayed for how much time, sir?
So may give me 1 week time.
It's prayed for list on 21/11.
Mile.
Affidavit be filed within 16/11. Affidavit be filed by 16/11, list on 21/11.
And the sub case also goes with that.
Sub item same order.
Sub item. I'm OP1 there.
Petitioner none. Sub item petitioner state is not there. Petitioner none. Why the sub item state is not filed? The informant has filed it. So the petitioner none. Mr. D.P. Patnaik. What is it?
I'm for OP1.
OP1. Yes.
Apply.
70.
from item 70 to item 76. 70 to 76 at page 7.
Pollution.
Only 74 state is there.
No, 70 also by the State Pollution Control Board.
They have a separate Mr. Misra. He is not there. They are not appearing. 74, yes, Mr. Nayak, you are there.
I'm there. My lord, this is a leave to appeal from a sentence of acquittal.
Yes.
Order of an acquittal. In a case where the accused was convicted for possession of 550 grams of ganja.
Okay.
550. I was going through the judgment. And
Chemical examination report is there.
It's there. The acquittal is on technical grounds.
It's a technical offense.
So what I'm submitting is that I'll place those two relevant paragraphs.
Yes.
My lordship can decide.
No, since no one is appearing for the other side, so you can wait. Because they have already appeared, I think.
Myself, my lord.
You are there.
My lord. But unfortunately, I have not got the file, my lord. Recently, I have shifted my office, my lord.
So when do you want?
Any date, my lord. At least after 10 days, my lord.
Okay. 74, Mr. Devasis Naik, AGA for the state. Mr. D.K. Mahapatra for the opposite party. The learned counsel for the opposite party submits that he has some. Since the case brief has his case brief has been misplaced, he may be accommodated. As prayed for, list on 20th. List on 20th 11/2023. Then 71 to apart from 74 all matters apano. Next page 8. We start at page item 77. Yes.
I will be pardoned. Item note 73. Item note 73, my lord. I am for the opposite.
I have been calling the matter myself. I am calling, even not in the court master. Yes, 73.
I am for the opposite party, my lord. In this case,
73, Mr. Petitioner none. Mr. You are Mr.
Raghunath Singh, R.N. Singh, my lord.
Mr. R.N. Singh, Raghunath Singh for the opposite party. 73. Non appears for the petitioner when the matter is called. List on 12th of December. Yes. Yes, next please. Page 8.
Item 77 to 89.
Serially, but since there are a lot of matters.
77, my lord, I pray for next week, my lord. I am for the opposite parties.
Who is for the petitioner?
I am for the petitioner.
Mr. A. Mahanti.
My lord,
P. Mahanti.
I'm sorry.
The conducting counsel.
Mr.
P. Mahanti.
Mr. P. Mahanti for the petitioner. Miss, your name?
My lord, I am S. Patnaik, but the
S. Patnaik.
yes. I will take instruction.
Fine. You take instruction.
Yes.
Miss S. Patnaik for the opposite party. Pulakes Mahanti.
Yes.
I was trying to recollect that. Yes. The learned counsel for the opposite party submits that after unfortunate demise of the learned counsel who was appearing earlier, she has instructions to appear and shall obtain instruction.
Yes.
You file wakalatnama if there
I
is.
will see.
So I'm just simply observing that you will take an instruction. As prayed for, list on item 77. 14th of December. Yes.
78.
Mr. Amulya Ratna Ponda, A.R. Ponda, on behalf of A. Das.
I am opposite party number
For
1.
the petitioner. Mr. B.K. Naik for OP.
Opposite party number 1. I have already filed memo to the effect that the opposite party number 1 has been died. So the representative, Sudhakar Port, has been died. Shamsundar Port has been died.
But in fact, he mentioned at the beginning, can you just inform him? Aniruddha Das.
I will give him the memo. I will give him the memo, file the memo.
I understand, but he mentioned at the beginning. So he is not there. He mentioned, adjourned the matter and left. So you file that memo, copy of that memo on the petitioner. Have you served him copy?
Yes, I have served the copy.
When did you serve? On whom?
6th of January.
6th of January on Aniruddha Das.
आपको दिया है ना, किन्तु दिया है.
Then you have to be specific, or else how he will know? Mr. A.R. Ponda on behalf of Aniruddha Das for the petitioner, Mr. B.K. Naik for the OP number 1. He is the proprietor. OP number 1 is the proprietor or is the partner or what? Which capacity?
He is the representative of the secretary. Secretary. Radha Sam.
I could not hear you properly. Representative of the organization. What is that organization?
ରକ୍ଷାକର ଜେନେରାଲ ସେକ୍ରେଟାରୀ ପ୍ରଗତିଶୀଳ ଶ୍ରମିକ ମଞ୍ଚ ଝାରସୁଗୁଡା ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେଟିଭ ଶ୍ୟାମସୁନ୍ଦର ପୋର୍ଟ.
So what is that? That's a registered organization, that's a society, that's a company, that's a firm.
Is a registered society.
Okay. Collective. The learned counsel for the opposite party appearing in the learned counsel, Mr. Naik appearing for OP number 1, that is the secretary of the opposite party organization, submits that the secretary has in the meanwhile has passed away. Para, memo stating the same has been filed. Copy of the memo shall be served on the learned counsel for the petitioner. List on 14/12/2023. Learned counsel for the petitioner 6 accommodation ago note kar diyo. Ta pore eta likh diyo. Yes. You serve again, please. Yes.
My lord, 79, my lord. My lord,
79, Miss Naik. Yes, please.
My lord.
Please submit. Yes, please submit. What you want to say? Kuhantu.
My lord, 79, my lord, the file has been misplaced, so...
Miss Rina Naik for the petitioner, Mr. Standing counsel for the state, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the case brief has been misplaced and she may be accommodated to reconstruct or retrieve the same as prayed for. List on date koran to Mr. 16 bar Miss Naik, 16th of December. I'm sorry, 15/12. 15 bar. Yes.
Pardon your lordship.
Yes.
Item number 75. Lordship.
75, all those matters where the learned counsel are not there, those matters are not being called. We are now going page wise, wherever the learned counsel is available. So there, what do you want in 75?
75, your lordship, on last occasion there was a paper publication.
Yes.
So whether the opposite party appears or not.
No, you verify the office, verify in the office.
Lordship.
So that you can assist.
So far as
Mr. 75, you are Mr.
A Behra, my power may not be there. By that time,
on behalf of the petitioner, the learned counsel for the petitioners seeks accommodation to obtain up-to-date instructions as prayed for. List on 19/12/2023. Registry shall verify if any learned counsel has appeared on behalf of the opposite party. Yes, next please. From item 80 to 89.
My lord, item 81.
Yes.
On the behalf of Tapas Kumar Acharya, no.
Your name, sir?
Sivaranjan Pillai.
Soumyaranjan Pillai.
Sivaranjan Pillai.
Sivaranjan Pillai on behalf of Tapas T.K. Acharya.
No instruction.
S.R. Pillai on behalf of T.K. Acharya. But here it is 138. Because no instructions in revision is, I am told that it can't be disposed of that like that. Where is Mr. Jenna? No one is there. Yes, Mr. Standing Counsel.
Let him take the instruction, my lord. It can't be disposed of like that.
138.
138.
Upon 138 court, the learned counsel for the petition seeks accommodation to obtain up-to-date instructions as prayed for. List on
14 bar.
14th of December.
14th. Yes, ma'am.
Item 84.
Yes.
On behalf of Nornikanta Das, the matter can be taken on next week.
Your name, sir?
Saurabh Mahapatra.
You don't have power. Mr. Saurabh Mahapatra on behalf of Nalinikanta Das for the petitioner. Mr. Samantray was here. He has left. J. Samantray was present. Opposite party none. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation to obtain up-to-date instruction as prayed for list on
Next
1312. And this is a NI Act.
No.
Okay. Finance कौन आ भाई तो उसने तो check bounce वाला पर case करती ना. Yes, next.
86.
84. 1 year lordship I am there.
You are there.
81 year lordship.
81. What he is saying that he has no instruction.
The check bounce case I am for the
Yes.
2013 year lordship.
You are for the promisee. So after how much amount you have received, if you can take that instruction, then it can be disposed of.
If you wanted, I have not received a single amount of lordship.
Okay. So he has taken accommodation. Let us wait.
As a short date may calculate a corporation account lordship. It's a housing board, housing board corporation lordship. Amount has been taken by the complaint accused lordship. Thereafter not discharge her duties. Given check that has been bounced.
He has been the accused has been the convict has been granted bail and the fine has been stayed.
Yes.
So he has taken instruction, Mr. P.C. Jenna for the opposite
Short
party.
date may can be fixed.
Let's sort out date change kari hoga. Once granted, why how it can be changed? 14th of December. Your present non-appearance will be Mr. Prabhas Chandra Jenna for the opposite party. Yes. Next.
Item 85 prefer next week on behalf of Ashok Das.
85.
Yes.
Your name, sir?
A.K. Mohanty.
A.K.
Akshay Kumar Mohanty.
Mr. Akshay Kumar Mohanty for the petition on behalf of
Ashok Das.
Ashok Das for the petitioner. A.K. Mohanty on behalf of A. Das for the petitioner. Mr. 85, you are there. Mr. Standing Counsel for the state. Mr. S.S. Mahapatra AC for the opposite party. Learned Counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation to obtain instructions as prayed for list on 14th of December. Yes, next.
And also on item 93 also.
93 connected or different?
Different.
Please wait. Separate order has to be dictated.
86.
Yes, next. Mention. Miss M. Behra for the petitioner. Opposite party. Mr. Das was here. Parthasarathi Das. Mr. Opposite party none. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation to obtain instructions as prayed for list on 14th of December 2023. Yes, next.
87.
May I please, your lordship, my lord, on
Yes.
Mr. U.C. Bebura, kindly this matter taken up 1 week after.
Your name, madam? Mohini Sahu.
Yes, madam.
Miss Mohini Sahu on behalf of UC Behra for the petitioner. Mr. S.S. Kanungo, 87. Mr. S.S. Kanungo, EGA for the state. Learned Counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation to obtain up-to-date instructions as prayed for list on 19th December 2023. Yes, next.
88.
Next.
89.
Next.
90.
Next.
91.
90 to 92 I'm appearing, my lords.
90
to 92.
90 non for petitioner, Mr. Devasis Naik AGA for the 92, 90 up to
92.
90 to 92, 90, 91, 92. Non for petitioner, Mr. Devasis Naik for the state. None appears for the petitioner when the matter is called to grant further opportunity. List on date, sir. 20th of December. 91, same order. Then 92. Yes, Madam Pradhan, you are there. 92. Anjan Kumar.
96.
Sorry?
96.
Not 96. Have you checked the list? The court will assist you there.
92.
92. Yes, what do you say?
On behalf of Mr. Vissal, I pray for an adjournment, Your Lordship.
You are Miss
Pradhan. Rashmi Rekha Pradhan.
Miss R. Pradhan
Yes.
on behalf of A.K. Bishwal for the petitioner. Mr. Devasis Naik, AGA for the state. Learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation to obtain up-to-date instructions. As prayed for list on 20th of December 2023.
Obliged.
Yes.
Pardon, my lord.
Mr. Das.
86.
93.
86 opposite party, Mr. Parthasarathi Das.
Date may be fixed.
86 has been adjourned by the petitioner to 14th of December. At the beginning. Sorry? Non-apparent. Yes.
93 pray for next week on behalf of Suktas.
That is same as 85.
Same name, sir.
Your name, sir?
A.K. Mohanty.
Mr. A.K. Mohanty on behalf of A. Das for the petitioner. Mr. Praharaj, Mr. Standing Counsel for the state. The learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation to obtain instructions as prayed for list on 14th of December 2023. Yes, next.
94.
94 on behalf of B.K. Raghuda, pray for 1 week time.
Your name, sir?
H.K. Muduli.
Mr. H.K. Muduli on behalf of B.K. Raghuda. But Mr. Raghuda is, I think, yes. Ellen Patel has also joined.
Yes, no.
N.K. Das has also joined.
No. Only
Mr. H.K. Muduli on behalf of Ellen Patel. Now Mr. Raghuda is with P.K. Muduli. So he's no more with H.K. Muduli. So on behalf of Ellen Patel, for the petitioner, Mr. Standing Counsel for the state, Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that since Mr. B.K. Raghuda is no more the counsel for the petitioner, his name may be deleted from the cause list as well as the case brief. Prayer is allowed. Name of Mr. Raghuda be deleted from the case brief as well as the cause list. Is for the para, it is for the prayer, the matter may be adjourned to obtain up-to-date instructions as prayed for list on 30th December 2023. He cannot appear for the petitioner where state is a party.
95.
I pray for adjournment, ma'am.
Your name, sir? M.S.Sahoo is there.
Ma'am.
Yes. Mr. D.Sahoo for the petitioner, Mr. Standing Counsel for the state. The learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation to obtain up-to-date instructions as prayed for list on 12th December 2023.
96.
Yes, Mr. Patnaik.
96, I pray 1 week after.
Mr. P.R. Patnaik for the petitioner. Mr. Standing Counsel for the state. Learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation to obtain up-to-date instructions as prayed for list on 13th of December 2023. Yes.
97.
Mr. R. Mahato on behalf of Arijit Misra for the petitioner. Mr. S.S. Mahapatra, additional standing counsel for the state. Learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation to obtain instructions as prayed for list on 15th December 2023.
98.
Mr. Misra, yes, please.
Conviction matter, my lord, under section 3A of the Railway Properties Unauthorized Possession.
Yes.
Confirmed in appeal.
Yes.
Only
So
one-
you see that whether the property was identified and
Yes.
whether it was sealed properly or not.
No, that is lacking in
Export-
this case. That is the only point of law I can urge.
And see the export evidence. What the export is saying, that whether it was when the property was produced,
There is no mark on the property. It
no
was
mark on the property, still it was a conviction.
Yes, it was a rail bar. And the trial court and appellate court both say from the experience PW
মানে কোন- মানে রেল বার ভଳି দুসুথাই না কোন?
rail bar siege ala
Have you seen that inquest report?
No, I have just gone through the two judgments. Other documents I don't have.
Yes, Mr. Mahapatra.
My lord.
No, I am not saying you instantly reply.
Yes.
Then how there will be a conviction?
Unless that
In
has
both
been
the
properly
matters, one Mr.
identified.
by Mr. Senior Standing Counsel, Senior Panel Counsel, and one by Mr. Devasis Naik.
That,
Both the matters, there was no mark to identify
Unless
the
that
railway
has been
property. Then how do you
identified
prove that?
properly.
No, the poser is basically I am not against you. I am saying that then how we have proved it.
Sometimes it happens.
So that
So you just see that, but this will specifically when it will be coming, you please mention.
yes. Hiding.
Otherwise, again, because of this is 2013 matter, it will come at the bottom. You just mention it. And he is saying there is the export evidence is that he has not identified.
Yes.
No property mark. And whether the property was seized or not properly. That is the other
That is
aspect.
mostly necessary. Unless
Because some railway property will be brought, and the way Mr. Praharaj is arguing that he will bring some property insert produced before the court.
that requires, that is the only on hypothesis, my lord, it will not be seized and it will not be
Obviously.
criminal prosecution.
Yes.
That is admitted.
So how much time, Mr. Mahapatra?
Lordship may keep it to next week.
Okay. Mr. G.N. Misra for the petitioner, Mr. S.S. Mahapatra for the additional standing counsel for the state. Learned counsel for the petitioner, advance arguments. The learned AC seeks accommodation to give his response as prayed for. At least 2 days.
7th.
List on 14th.
14th.
So how is it that railway in some matters railway council is appearing and some matters you are appearing?
They are the seizure by this police. My lord, that will-
Seizure by police.
Yes.
Because GRP, Government Railway Police, you are representing.
No, RPF was there, my lord. Now, earlier that was conducted by the state government because of the authorization.
Yes.
They were authorizing the state BP to conduct the cases.
Yes.
Now, my lord, it is being for bill purpose and all.
Achha.
They are
Yes.
segregating it, why that they will appear and why will not appear.
So Misra, I'm sorry, Mr. Prasanna Kumar Misra. Prasanna Kumar Misra, 99 petitioner none, Mr. S.S. Mahapatra AC for the state. None appears for the petitioner when the matter is called. List 11-12.
100.
My lord, I am for the opposite party.
Petitioner none, Mr. You are Mr.
SS Porida.
Mr. S. You are power, Mr. S.S. Porida for the opposite party. None appears for the petitioner when the matter is called to grant further opportunity. List on.
Maybe fix a short date because the opposite party is now in the bed. In the bed.
Sir, you see, the revision matter of 2015 is becoming 100. Just appreciate the kind of pendency.
Yes, my lord.
We are starting with, I think we are starting with 7. Yes, 11, then no, 2003. The first matter is 2003 for orders. Then admission starts with 2007. So what can be done? And so many matters, old matters are also pending after 10 years for fresh admission. No, short date, it is nuanced. The computer is not allowing that. By this serial year-wise is maintained by the computer, not by the court. That system is no more there. Short date kebe karibe? December rahu jebe asibo. Ek bar na kon. Ek bar.
Oh, bless.
Yes. Mr. Bharti?
My lord, my 71 टा
71 ଆପଣ ନେଇଥିଲେ?
71
71 Mr. Barik ଦେଖି କୁହନ୍ତୁ.
71 ଟା ଡାକିଲେ ସାର୍ କେହି?
ହଁ କଣ ହେଇଛି?
ଡକାଲ କି ନ?
71 when it was page wise it was called, no one was there. So it will go back again and again, it will be listed after some time.
After some time.
Yes.
Achha.
No order has been passed.
Arranging out a complaint case more seta.
Whatever, sir, whatever since because almost I mean the entire bar is vacant, so we are not calling the serially.
It will come.
71 ଆପଣ ହଉଛନ୍ତି ପିଟିସନର ପାଇଁ
appellate KP ବାପା ନାଥିଲା ବାପା ତ ଏକ୍ସପାୟାର କଲେଣି RN ମହାନ୍ତି ଟୁ ଥିବ ବୋଧେ
Mr. ଏଥିରେ sir ଆପଣ ଅଛନ୍ତି
ହଁ
71 Mr. RN Mahanti
RN ମହାନ୍ତି
for the petitioner opposite party you are appearing.
Sir, I'm for item 70.
Opposite party none. The learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation as paid for list on 71 11th of December
12 ତାରିଖ
12th of December
RN ମହାନ୍ତି ଟୁ ଟା
ଅଛି
ନାଇଁ my father is senior expired ମୋ ନାଁଟା ଅଛି ତ ଆଉ କଣ
Sir,
delete ହେଇଗଲା
sir, your name sir?
KP ମହାନ୍ତି ପରା ଅଛି କାଳି
The name of Mr. RN Mahanti too, who has passed away, be deleted from the cause list as well as the case brief. Name of Mr. KP, Mr. KP Mahanti be indicated. Was instructions to appear in the case brief as well as the cause list. Yes, next.
My
70.
lord, item 70.
Yes.
Any adjournment date, my lord?
70 रे आपण for the
Opposite party on behalf of Durga Prasad Nanda.
Mr. So Mr. Petitioner 70 Mr. Petitioner none. Your name sir?
My lord, I don't have the power.
Your आपण नाटा कहबो पड़िबो.
A Das.
Mr. A Das. Mr. DP Nanda instructed by Mr. A Das for the opposite party. DP Nanda senior counsel senior advocate instructed by A Das for the opposite party. None appears for the petitioner when the matter is called. To grant further opportunity list on 18th of December.
My lord.
Yes. Passover of Thank you.
That CGM, the assistant sessions is the rank of CGML,
Okay.
Chief Judicial Magistrate.
Okay.
For that, in all matters that adjudicated by the CGM, that is appealized to the
Sessions
Sessions
Court.
Court.
Sessions Court. Yes, but
That is
anyway,
a user practice.
CRL LP will not be there.
No.
It has to be CRLA and to be filed
CRL.
before the Sessions Court.
With regard to my lord, filing of memo, I'll call them and.
Yes, yes, after you instruct them.
God bless me.